children. Okay, so kids, I would like to ask one question. Okay, so can you tell me which day is today? Which day is today? Yesterday was Monday, so today is Tuesday. Good. Today is Tuesday. So, my dear lovely kids, today we will be revising our topic. So, can you tell me which season is going on? When we wear that jacket, sweater, muffler, gloves and all, we feel very cold in this season. Yes, dear kids. Winter season. Winter season. So nowadays हम लोग आग भी बहुत तापते हैं ना. Yes. Okay. We ate so many dry foods also in this season. Okay. Yes. And we wear warm clothes. We wear warm clothes. So my dear kids, we already learned about winter season, but today we will revise once again. So stand up all of you. Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold? I also feeling cold. But we have to revise our rhyme first of all.
Cold, cold winter, cold, cold winter. Give me my sweater. Where is my muffler? It keeps me warmer. Winter, now I'm feeling better. Cold, cold winter, cold, cold winter. Give me my sweater. Where is my muffler? It keeps me warmer. Winter, now I'm feeling better.
So, my dear lovely kids, once again, we will revise our rhyme.
Cold, cold winter, cold, cold winter. Give me my sweater. Where is my muffler? It keeps me warmer. Winter, now I'm feeling better. Cold, cold winter, cold, cold winter. Give me my sweater. Where is my muffler? It keeps me warmer. Winter, now I'm feeling better.
I am feeling so cold. Do you feel it? Yes. So, my dear kids, what season do you think is going on? Yes, winter season. So, dear kids, for winter season, we need some things which keep us warm. So, let's see. So, dear kids, I'm going to show you some clothes. These are the gloves. These are gloves. So children, we wear these in summer season. You know, हम अपने हाथों में पहनते हैं. Very good. Now, this is a cap. This is a woolen cap, children. Okay, nowadays you are wearing. Are you wearing? Yes, we used to wear in winter season. This is a woolen cap. Can we wear in summer season? No, we can't because it is very warm. Okay. So next is, this is a shawl, children. This is a shawl. Mama used to wear this shawl, children. Ma'am is also wearing this shawl. Yes, because बड़े लोग इनको पहनते हैं, and sometimes children also used to wear. Okay, ये हमारी बॉडी को कवर करता है. Now dear kids, this is a sweater. This is a sweater. In these days, we are wearing sweater. Okay, during winter days, we used to wear sweater. And dear kids, this is a muffler. This is a muffler. So these are the clothes which we use in winter season. So dear kids, can we use ceiling fan in winter season? No. And what about cooler? No. Because these things we use in summer season. And children, we used to drink hot drink like soup. And children, coffee and tea, these are not for children, so बड़े लोग पीते हैं. So my dear lovely kids, we used to eat hot things, hot rice, hot dal, okay, and dry foods also. After that, my lovely kids, take out your World Around Me B book, open the page number 32. So these are the clothes, summer clothes these are, and these are winter clothes. So woolen gloves, woolen cap, muffler. This is a muffler, this is a cap, this is a sweater, this is a scarf, and this is a jacket. So my dear kids, we have to revise, and we have to do picture reading every day, children. Here, summer clothes, winter clothes. So lovely kids, you have to do picture reading every day. So in these days, winter days, you have to observe the things which you are using in these days. After that, my dear kids, you have to take out here my first book of the World Around Me. Open the page number 60. So you can see in this page, this portion we already have done. So what about what you have to do, children? We will see these pictures. So what is written over here? Color the things that we eat and drink in the winter season. Okay, color the things that we eat and drink in the winter season. So as I told you, this is the cup of coffee or tea. So children, ये बच्चों के लिए नहीं होती है, but बड़े लोग कभी इसको पीते हैं. तो we have to color this also, but this is not for you. You don't drink this tea or coffee. You have to drink instead of milk. Okay, इसके बदले में आप milk you can drink, hot milk. Okay, so this is the cup of tea which we use to drink in winter season. And these are the eggs. These are eggs. So I love to eat eggs. Do you love to eat? Yes, and eggs we eat in winter season. This is an ice cream. Would you like to eat an ice cream? I know you all love to eat, but this is a junk food and we avoid to eat in winter season because जो आइसक्रीम होती है बहुत चिल्ड बहुत ठंडी होती हैं. इट इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर आवर हेल्थ इन विंटर सीजन एज वेल एज इन summer season. So we are talking about here winter season things. So this is a cup of tea and these are eggs and this is an ice cream जो हम winter season में नहीं खाते. Okay, so this is a junk food, children, always remember. And बच्चों को कॉफ़ी और चाय नहीं पीनी चाहिए. So I am going to color this cup, okay, with pink color. You can use your favorite crayon to make it colorful. Okay, children. So pink color is my favorite, so I'm using my pink color over here. And you have to use your favorite color. So remember, children, tea and coffee is not good for children. Okay, so children should be avoid this tea or coffee to drink. Don't drink it. Okay. Okay, now children, inside is tea or coffee. And now, my dear lovely kids, these are eggs. So eggs always in white color, yellowish and brownish. So I'm going to use this yellow color, light yellow color. Okay, so you also make it light yellow color or brown color. And don't leave these eggs like that. So हल्का हल्का आप येलो या ब्राउन कलर कर सकते हैं. Can you see? Light color. Okay. Yes, brown or light yellow. So children, these are the things which we drink and eat in winter season. So dear kids, this is an ice cream. Again and again I am telling you this is a junk food. So please avoid to eat. So lovely kids, now you can see and observe the things which are using in winter season. So dear kids, keep learning, keep watching and do picture reading every day, revise or rhyme every day. And my dear kids, you can compare winter season as well as summer seasons things nowadays because winter season is going on. Yesterday I also told you you have to observe the things which you are using in these days. So observe the things, use your things and keep learning. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.